Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at a sample of the Rodial Stem Cell Cleansing Cream 2-in-1 cleanser with mask for dehydrated skin and stem cells, and it has rosehip and vitamin E. It's a stem cell cleansing cream. The instructions are to massage a small amount onto dry or face or neck. Rinse with warm water or damp muslin cloth. Use morning and evening. Use as a weekly mask. Apply a thick layer and leave the cream to absorb for 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water or a damp muslin cloth. This one is actually 1 fluid ounce or 30 milliliters. I tried it. I absolutely love it. I'm planning on buying the full size because it just works really, really well. It's a nourishing dual action cleansing cream with advanced stem cell technology from phytoceltic Alpine Rose superfood complex of antioxidants, coconut oil, rosehip oil, rose wax, and coconut butter. Gently cleanses and feeds essential nutrients to the skin for instant relief for a dehydrated complexion. When massaged into the skin with 100% muslin cloth, the gentle exfoliation enables younger looking skin to be revealed, boosting skin's vitality for a visible glow. And a little bit about the brand: the Ultimate Skincare Collection, pairing world-class anti-aging ingredients with groundbreaking innovation. Rodial products are high-performance skincares targeting a range of skin concerns. From what I've read, the reviews are absolutely stellar. I have to say that I absolutely love it. I found it to be wonderful, especially using it as a mask. There are even people who have come on here and said that they have never written a review and have had things with dermatitis and had to take antibiotics per doctor orders, and this cream, or this mask and wash, this stem cell cleanser, has completely cleared up their skin. And I find that my skin glows a lot more when I use this, and it makes your face feel hydrating. It's a great mask. It's also a great wash. It's creamy. I don't have a muslin cloth. I might have to get a muslin cloth to use that. Like I said, I am planning on buying the full-size one. Some people have said that it makes them look 10 years younger. If that's the truth, then I will be using this forever, because I would love to look 10 years younger for the rest of my life. That would be amazing. I'm very into skincare. I've been wearing eye cream since I was 17 years old. I'm now 37. I still don't have eye wrinkles. So, you know, I have forehead wrinkles, but that's normal. That's a normal face thing, and I don't want to get Botox to get rid of that. But the cleanser is a smooth cream and it feels luxurious. It gently will remove makeup and leave the skin feeling smooth and refreshed. People I know that have been using it for a couple of years say the cleanser, they use it both as a cleanser and a moisturizer, that it's made a huge difference in their skin immediately, even under their eyes. And the full size, so like I said, I only have a 1 ounce trial, which is, it lasts a while. So the 6.8 fluid ounces last for a very long time, and you don't have to use a whole ton of it. You only use a little bit, and that's really all you need. So Like I said, I don't just love it, customers absolutely adore it. I would definitely give it a shot. If you can find a sample of it, I would definitely try the Rodial Stem Cell Superfood Cleanser. And if you can find a 1 ounce to try, just to try, I can guarantee that you're going to want to buy the 6.8 fluid ounces, which will last you for a long time. And I use all my facial products on my husband. He's kind of my guinea pig. I like to keep his skin looking good too. But like I said, don't take my word for it or all the great reviews. Give it a try yourself. And thanks so much for watching.